I'm Steve and welcome to my channel. Well, it's taken me most of the day to strip the paint from the chrome strip right the way back to the top of the door. And that's because the modern paint stripper that you get isn't so good as it was years ago. I've got a picture somewhere of the bonnet when I put paint stripper on it, and it's absolutely bubbling up, and it's the same paint as on here. So that's where I'm at the moment. So tomorrow I'm going to turn the door over and do strip the paint on the inside of the door. What have you been doing today, Steve? I've been cleaning my car with a toothbrush. I had a bit more luck today. Looks as though they only put one coat of black paint on this inside door here. Tomorrow I'm going to hoover out all the old bits of paint that dropped inside the door, and then have a look along the bottom on the inside, see if there's any rust there. It's a shame about the dent on the door skin, because this door is virtually rust free. That is Consul, and the last time it was resprayed I went all round everywhere with Consul, and that has saved the bottom of this door, except for that bit of brazing that's on the radius here, just here. So I'm going to clear as much of this Consul out as I can, because it's all horrible. And then before I put the door cards back, before I finish the car, I'm going to go around again with some more Consul with a brush, and that should protect it for the years to come. Just sort of a little tip: if you're fitting the door and you've still got this chrome strip bit here, the door can scratch that and damage it. So I'm going to put 3 layers of masking tape on top of there. Now the plate that these bolts go into drops too low, so you can't get the bolts in. So you have to line it up with something. So I just put a screwdriver in. And that's lined it up a little bit. This crease here must have been done before it's painted green, and it was just filled with loads of filler. Now I can't really get to the back to knock it back. So what I thought of doing was welding some tags along here with some holes in it and using a slide hammer to try to knock this out, because I've got nothing to lose because it's no good as it is. Now express panels do door skins up to here. Unfortunately they're made to order, so I will have to wait, I think, at least 3 months, so they say on their website. So after I've done all that, taken the paint off of all the other doors, I'm going to have a go at doing that, knocking that out. But unfortunately there's a high spot here as well, so I need to do something about that as well. Oh, that's good. That's the way to do it, I think. Well, that's very good. I've been doing it wrong. I haven't been waiting long enough. Oh, that is brilliant. There's some grinding there. Oh no, more filler. More filler, I don't believe it. This is the driver's side rear door, and it looks the same as the other side, and I've put a couple of coats of paint stripper on here, and I put the foil on it. I left it overnight. Now it's in the morning now. I come back and it's really worked well. So if it's rust or what under here. That's all for now. The second half of this video will be posted next weekend. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time.